need to use AirDrop without the Wi-Fi, then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can use AirDrop without the Wi-Fi. Well, on your iOS device, the feature is already available where you don't have to use Wi-Fi or any of the specific network in order to use AirDrop. So first of all, turn off the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Simply toggle off your network. Once done, click on AirDrop and then choose a specific option. Now another person who is a sender needs to choose specific photos and videos. After that, try sending it to you. Your AirDrop name will be available in their phone. They need to click on it and then you will have to click on accept. After that, you'll receive all the files that they have sent. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.